What's up, guys? It's about 4 in the morning here, pulling into this stand, looking over this big bottom. You can see here my thermal's mounted on the truck. You can check out my last video for details on that. I ended up setting to the left of that barn right there, and the coyotes actually ended up coming into this field that you're overlooking right now, pretty much come out of the woods right where the truck is sitting. Ended up coming into tall grass there, and I ended up having to make a move. Just pointing out that it's always nice to know your land, nice to know where the gates are, nice to know that you can make a move, and you always got to keep track of where the wind is coming from so you can make those moves correctly so you don't get spooked. Makes for a successful hunt. I do usually start off with some kind of female howl and then move into some kind of distress depending on a response that I get. Just kind of showing you guys the land here. Pretty decent sized farm here that I can overlook. Same thing, a lot of cows to deal with. You gotta be careful of that. There are a couple houses around, not too many. I do go into pup distress here, which ultimately caused this double in. They came in from behind me up on the hill, so I had to make a move, but ended up getting a shot on one of them. The second one booked it out of there, as you'll see here in just a second. These dogs came in pretty quick. I had to make a really quick move to get in behind the barn so I could see them. Didn't even have time to focus my dang scope. They came in so fast, but that first one got in behind that cover, saw that shot, took it, dropped. All in all, that was about a 20-minute stand, knocked down to 3 minutes. So if you guys like what you're seeing, please hit like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if I can do anything better. Thanks, guys.